Bekujubile namhlanje. Iinhlangano zepolotiki nazibambe ikulumopikiswano ngekulumo yesitjhaba kamengameli. IDA ithi umengameli webe umhlolo wabo wenthembiso. Batsho zonke izinto bekazikhulumako zizinto zabo.
Now, Mr. President, I'm sure that you have seen and heard the analyst comments that you must have been reading the DA manifesto.
Bathu umengameli uRamaphosa uhlala khuluma into yinye kodwa kunanda yenzako. IDA ithi umengameli nabongqongqotjhe bakhe bayabhalelwa ukuthuthukisa ilizwe lekhethu akunanto abayenzako.
Today, I've tabled a motion of no confidence, not in you, but in your whole cabinet in terms of section 102(1) of the Constitution.
Nakusenjalo umondli gungubele we-ANC wabaphendula.
The DA's difference is a racial difference. Because you see it in Guguletu, in Philippi, in Tembalethu, in Oton, all over. The DA difference is a racial difference.
Mkholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ukhwele wazehlela phezu kamengameli wathi abantu abanzima khona batla kakhulu nje solo kwafika uRamaphosa.
You are currently the worst president to have ever occupied that position, and you are the worst president that has ever occurred to black people, and you are not surprised that black people are getting poorer under your leadership.
Umalema uthi amaSewula Afrika bekamthemba uRamaphosa bona uza kuchugulula impilo yabo kodwa kunalokho umengameli uthi uhulumende uyabhalelwa ukuvula amathuba wemsebenzi abantu abathoma uqala inkampani ezijameleko bona zibaqatshe. Umalema uthi abantu abasamthembi kwanje uRamaphosa.
We are asking you, when you come to respond here, please withdraw that thing that you are not going to create jobs. You stood here and told them it will never happen. They rely on you, they trusted you, you came here and destroyed the hopes of the hopeless masses of our people. Shame on you, Mr. President. You have destroyed young people of South Africa.
Umkholi we-Freedom Front Plus, uPieter Groenewald uthi umengameli akabenzeli litha abantu abatsha.
ANC government failed the people and especially the young people as far as employment is concerned. The unemployment rate amongst the youth is, and we talk about between 18 and 24 years, is about 63%. You failed them.
Iinhlangano zepolotiki ziragela phambili nekulumopikiswano.